It's the information age. How hard can it be to find information when you have the internet and search engines? Finding information is easy. Finding the right information is difficult. Suppose you want to search for information about wind turbine technology, or just do some background research on this subject. How would you find the best websites to help with that research? How can you search in multiple languages to see what is happening in other countries? Searching within Staffordshire University's own archives of published research materials is akin to running a search in Google or any other popular search engine. Staffordshire University use a number of systems, and our aim will be to integrate Search Visualiser with these systems with a view to eventually replacing them completely. We will also develop a desktop version of Search Visualiser to allow students and staff to search their own hard drives as well as the web and university intranet and library. Imagine that someone has gone through those same search results, marking each of the websites or documents with colour-coded highlighter for your keywords. Search Visualiser also allows you to search for keywords and their synonyms. The first set of synonym keywords is shown in red, the second in green and the third in black. The synonym feature also allows us to make sure the search is restricted to only peer-reviewed academic texts or journals, which will contain additional links to other research materials, thus making it more relevant for students. You can see at a glance that the second site has clusters of keyword matches, so that looks like a good site to visit for further research. That's already useful information, even before you start looking at the content. With Search Visualiser, we can search this topic in English and multiple other languages. Here we see the same search in English, German and Spanish. In this sequence, we see a student trying to identify gender patterns in 3 plays by Shakespeare. Using a standard search engine, it is difficult to determine which sites are worth further research, but with Search Visualiser, we can search the actual plays direct and see immediate patterns emerge from the text. In both A Midsummer Night's Dream and Romeo and Juliet, we can see lots of mentions of both men and women throughout the text. However, when we look at the text of Macbeth, it is immediately obvious that this male-dominated tragedy has very few mentions of female characters until the tragic death of Lady Macbeth towards the end of the play. Clicking on Results will give the user the option to hover over their keywords in order to see the context in which those keywords appear. So, with Search Visualiser, you can assess the relevance of documents quickly and easily. As part of our development project with Staffordshire University, we will integrate Search Visualiser into the existing systems to allow all searches to run across the web and the library of digital publications, including texts and published research materials.